Hello friends, we have got new fridge and today we have unboxed it already. So it is this one is Samsung 394 liter double door fridge. You can see here, this is freezer and we have here ice tray. It is removable so that you can use this space whenever required. When you do not require to have ice, you can remove it. If you require ice, you can keep it inside. This is twin cooling because this cools separately and the lower cools separately. So this is a fridge look like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartment like this, 4 trays. A very solid fridge, very solid glass, and this is for vegetables. And here we have door. Indoors we can keep lemons here. Then this one is for eggs. These are 2 trays for egg, and here you can keep water bottles. And let me show you the specification and the board like this. This is Samsung 394 liter. Width, height and dimensions are there here. It is made in Thailand product. Yes, imported product. You can see twin cooling badging is there. This deodorizing filter is there. Yeah, so let's talk about the operations, what all things we can do here. So this is the basically control here. Right now you can see it's minus 19 and 3. And these two switch on. Let me switch off first this, then I will show you again. So basically in this controller you can see different temperature are mentioned here. These temperature are for the freezers and these are the for fridge. So this one is for upper compartment, this is for lower compartment. So during winter, during peak summer, like May, June to until September. So if it is in May and June, you can always keep minus 23 for the freezer and 1 degree for the down. And let's say after June, July, August, September, you can keep by pressing this one to 21 and this one to 2 degree. Okay, so you can keep here. Then you are in mid of September to November, you can use 19 degree here and 3 degree here. Once it is winter, when winter is coming and winter is going, so you can put 17 degree and 5 degree centigrade. Once winter is at peak, you can keep this on 15 degree and this one on 7 degree. So sometime what happens is we are visiting outside, there is nothing in the fridge, so your fridge was off. So if you want to have quick freezer, you can press this for 3 seconds and then this will start. So it will be quick freeze and it will be auto shut down in 2.5 hours. Same goes with the fridge also. Press for 3 seconds and this is on. It means power cooling is started. And if you do not off, you can press it again for switching off, but if you do not press this, then automatically it will be off in 2.5 hours. So right now you can see there is nothing in my fridge. I am just starting, so that is why I press the power thing. Now third option is converter. You can use this whole fridge as a normal refrigerator. So what you can do is you can press this. So once your fridge is blinked, it means the whole up and down is working as a fridge. Once you click off, it means only the bottom compartment is working. And once you click again, then it is on normal thing. So I will put again as a 15 and then power freezer. So that was all about in demo, and this fridge has got rating of 3 star and has got 10 years of warranty on compressor. Otherwise it is 1 year warranty. We got it for 42,000, MRP 55,000 around. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos also. Thank you. Bye bye.